Good morning. We are making pink salad for Easter. This is one of my husband's favorite childhood recipes. We are halving the recipe because we don't want tons of leftovers. So we're using 1 box of Jell-O, 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, half that container of Cool Whip, and half that container of crushed pineapple. So if you want to do a normal recipe, you would be using 2 boxes of strawberry Jell-O, all of the cottage cheese, the whole Cool Whip, and the whole can of crushed pineapple. But like I said, we're having it because we're halving the recipe because we don't want tons of leftovers. Me and my husband are the only one who are going to be eating this. So he is mixing the Jell-O, the cottage cheese, and the pineapple together. This is actually an old glass dish that he's using. This is his dish that his mom always served this recipe in. So we're making this recipe just because Robert's missing his mom around Easter. Well, he misses her every day, but especially around Easter. So for memory's sake, we are making this recipe. I've never actually had it before. To me, it kind of just sounds weird. I'm sorry, cottage cheese and Jell-O powder. I don't know. It doesn't sound good to me, but I'm willing to give it a try. So, and then we're using half the container of Cool Whip. Remember, we're halving everything. So, and then you gently fold in the Cool Whip. So my husband is mixing that together. And then you refrigerate it for a couple hours. You could serve it as is right now, but in my husband's opinion, it tastes so much better if you refrigerate it for a couple of hours. So we do refrigerate it for a couple of hours. He's stirring it really good. So anyway, I got distracted and it looks really good. It looks really good. And it tasted so good. I was shocked with how good it tasted. I didn't do a taste test on camera, but trust me, I was extremely happy with how it turned out. It is probably going to be one of my new favorite desserts. It sounds weird, but it is so good. So yeah, if you have some cottage cheese and Jell-O you want to use up, it's a good recipe. Thanks for watching.